Is your Trello board a digital disaster zone, overflowing with completed tasks and outdated ideas? Fear not, because today I'm going to show you how to automate the archiving process, keeping your boards pristine and your sanity intact. First, open the Trello board you want to clean up. Next, click on the Show menu button in the top right corner of your board. In the menu, find and select Automation to access the automation settings. Now, click on the Rules tab. This is where we'll set up our automatic archiving magic. Click the Create Rule button to start building your archiving automation. Let's set up a trigger for when a card is moved to a specific list. Select when a card is moved to list. Now choose the list that signifies completion. For example, your done or completed list. This is where the cards will need to be in order to be archived. Under the Then section, select the action you want to happen, which is archive the card. Finally, click the Save button to activate your new rule. Now, whenever a card is moved to your specified list, it will automatically vanish into the archive, keeping your board clutter-free. This simple automation will transform your Trello experience. Happy organizing!